Well, today is Saturday, October 8th, and we're here at the United Methodist Church here in town for their annual car show. Beautiful, beautiful day. A little tad chilly actually, but and of course, being a good day, they have a great turnout here with more cars lining up to come in. So they'll probably have over 100 cars here today for sure. So I've already seen some very nice cars, so we'll get around and get some good footage today. Once again, there's a nice Trans Am just came in. Studebaker Hawk. Is that a Hawk? I guess. I'm not sure. Anyway, we'll get around, and as I said before, the season is winding down. I think maybe I have one more show after this one. So, but we'll see. Of course, that's all dependent upon the weather. So, catch you later. Well, this is an unusual car. This is called a Lloyd. I don't know if this is a foreign-made car, perhaps English. I don't know that I've ever seen one before, but very interesting. The model is an Alexander TS, and it's a 1959 Lloyd, made in Germany according to the sign. Okay, front-wheel drive, 25 horsepower, 50 miles per gallon. All right. So this was one of the foreign-made cars, like I guess perhaps maybe competing with the Volkswagen. Let's get around here on the other side of it. Economy car is what the name I'm trying to come up with here, but very unusual. I've never seen one of these before. You?
I haven't either. I've heard the name, but I've never seen one.
Yeah. Sign says it was made in Germany. That's.
Yeah.
I guess it was competing with the Volkswagen. I guess.
Yeah, or like the Morris.
Yeah.
Cars like Crosley's.
Crosley's. All right. It's an unusual car today. A 1918 Oakland, and this is quite a car. Check out those wood spoke wheels, and 4-door. But look at all the room inside here. At least roomy back seat. At least more room in the back seat than the front. But quite a nice car. Well, looks like that's where a spare tire would have been. Yeah. We'll go up here and take a look at the engine. Let me get up here. Wood steering wheel. Isn't that cool? There's the engine. Told that carburetor, that's an updraft technology that was popular back. Of course, they went to the downdraft, and then even some cars, like the early Corvettes, had the side draft. But how cool, cool old car. All right, moving on. 1918 Oakland. Here's a pretty little car, 1950 Plymouth. Love these old cars. Look at the dual carburetor setup on that Flathead 6. Yeah, that brings back memories. This is a pretty car. Like I said, I love the color. 4-door. Got the skirts on it. Look at this interior, isn't that nice? Look at the room in the back seat, even. Got some cushions. Room in the front seat. 3-speed, look at that dash. Yeah, boy, this is all original. Or stock, I should say. But we'll go around the other way. Take a look at the trunk. Trunk looked pretty nice, too. Chrome's not bad. Could be better. But yeah, I remember these very well. 1950 Plymouth. Special Deluxe, I think, is the name, the model name of it. Look at this trunk. Even got a little storage compartment in the back there. So, very nicely done, very nicely done. Special Deluxe. Okay, very cool, very cool. Like that. Now, I've done this one before, but it's always good to see it again. This is a 1962 Plymouth Savoy, and there's a picture of Wally and the beaver. And apparently, I guess this was the car that was used in the Leave It to Beaver programs, or one like it maybe. So, and this gentleman, he's into the travel trailers. So you'll see him at shows, and he's got 2 or 3 different styles of trailers. And hi Paul, and he'll have them on display, and all the odds and ends gear that go with it. Take a look inside here at all the things that he's got in here. Very nice, very nice. Yeah, very good. Brings back a lot of memories, doesn't it? All right, well, we'll move on here. Well, here is Cadillac Man here with his 1954 Cadillac. I assume this is a El Dorado. They all in the collection seem to be. Isn't this gorgeous? Good Lord, look at this. Everything's spotless. Rich is the guy that maintains these cars for the owner, and one of the perks then is he gets to drive the cars from time to time, and gets to take them to car shows and cruise-ins. So this is the one he brought out today, and isn't that beautiful?
All right, we're going to have
Lord.
today. Spread your arms out so you got plenty of room. Okay.
Shot from the back here.
Anybody else?
1954.
Out there. 14. I don't know what we gave away.
We'll go around here. I want to make sure that well, look at the wheels on this car. Isn't that beautiful? I want to get around here. Look at the sign. Make sure I got the right one. It is a 54 El Dorado. 333 cubic inch, 230 horsepower, single 4-barrel carb. All sorts of, mind you, 1954, fog, power antenna, power brakes, power seat, power steering, power windows, all that, automatic eye, all that in 1954.
So there you go.
Stainless across the back of that.
That charges $10 to take pictures of his car.
All right. Just ignore this guy in the background here. He wants me to pay him, so take pictures of this car. Okay, moving on. Well, here we got a couple cars owned by the same gentleman, and he resides in a little town south of here. But he's got, I've pictured them before too. He's got about 5 or 6 Chevy convertibles. I'm thinking 55 through, this one is a 64. So, and they're all red. So, it's a very, and they're all gorgeous cars. So, actually I hate to see him come to shows because you can pretty well count on him getting an award. This is an original 409. Isn't that cool? 4-speed. So quite a nice car. Quite a nice car. We'll swing over here and check out this 57 that belongs to him also. Automatic transmission. This is pretty much basic, beautiful 57 Chevy. Probably a 283, yeah, 283 power pack, says the sign says. But isn't that pretty? All right, well, he only brought 2 of them today, but always a treat to see his cars. Guys, we got a 1936 Chevrolet. Isn't that pretty? Isn't that a nice car, Fred?
A beautiful car.
Isn't it beautiful?
My uncle and aunt had a, they were never had any children, they had a.
Huh?
They had a 36 business coupe, my uncle and aunt.
Your uncle did?
Yep. I remember that car.
That is very pretty. We'll go around Fred here.
I don't know about you guys, but as far as I'm concerned,
Fred, my friend Fred there, owns the 64 and 57 that we just videoed. But look at the inside of this. Isn't that pretty? Very, very nice. Love the paint job on it. Spare tire on the back. This is cool. I love those wheels. That's nice. Yep. I guess this was considered the business coupe in its day. 1936 Chevy. Very, very. Well, here's a cool 55 Chevy. Check out those headlights. Isn't that neat? I've never seen that before. Some kind of LED light effect there. Pretty, pretty, pretty engine, obviously. Nice 55. 55 Bel Air, yes sirree. Nice interior. Obviously that's not original interior. 4-speed on the floor. I mean, this is a cool hot rod. 55 Chevy hot rod. Yes sirree. That would be a nice car to have. Fun to drive. Very nice. I love that. Sure do. 4-speed transmission. Actually, it's a 5-speed now that I look at it. Modern transmission. 5-speed transmission in it. All right. Very pretty, very pretty. 55 Chevy Bel. Okay, now we'll get some video here of some real nice cars. And oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't know they were going to be in it here. And here's another. Oh yeah.
Don't bend over there.
Well, I'm not going to say anything. I'd be better off just to not say anything. All right.
Just look at it on Facebook.
Yeah, we'll just put it out to the world.
Yeah, there you